Here we are with our video of the 2014 Baltimore Boat Show. A little overall view, and we'll zoom into a closer view. TV there. There's a bunch of videos that we do, and we'll start a walkthrough with the Walker Bay Generation 360 with the Tohatsu 40, LSI 96 high pressure air floor, Achilles LEX 96 economical wood floor unit, the AB Lamina 9 with nice bow locker and bow locker cushion, 670 pounds. Genesis 310 with its little console rig. You can price this out anywhere from $8,000 to $13,500 depending on motor and overall configuration. Motors we deal with, the Hondas, the Tohatsus, Torqeedo, and the Lear propane unit. The Torqeedo is an electric, 3 horsepower, perfect for some of the small boats. Come back around to the AB Ventus 9 VL, lightweight fiberglass, and the Superlight Walker Bay 270, 68 pounds. And we'll walk back around here a little bit, and we come to the AB Oceanus 11 footer, built-in fuel tank, built-in back seat, console, and the Achilles FX 280 fold down transom fiberglass, and the HB 315 DX with our most popular Euro helm configuration, and a little manta shade sitting up there on top to give you the shade if you go slow. Come back to our overall view, and then we'll work into the credits here in a second. Thanks for watching, and feel free to stop by the store, give us a call, send us an email, hang on to our Facebook page. Thanks.